Good morning, students. How are you? Okay, fine. Let me start the today new experiment number 8. Last time we have explained about the journal writing session. Okay, I think you have started your journal writing. And now today our aim is experiment number 8, vector parallelogram. Aim is to find the weight of given body using vector law of parallelogram. Here we have a object with unknown weight. Let me find the weight of this object using vector law of parallelogram. So for that we will have three hangers. On center hanger we will hang this unknown object. On hanger P and hanger Q, let me arrange three different positions. So first we let me take the 200 grams and 200 grams. We can arrange also 250 grams and 200 grams. We will take the 200 grams and 250 grams. We will arrange the three different positions. First 200 and 200 combination. The second 250 and 200 gram weight, and third one is 200 gram weight and 250 gram weight. For that, let me measure the weight that is resultant force of this object and we'll find. So for that, we will have a scale now. A scale measure is 1 centimeter is equal to 50 gram weight. So we will draw a parallelogram using the hanger P and Q. Then we find the length of the diagonal and we find the length of the weight of the unknown object. So let me start the unknown practical process. Come here. Join these 2 points and join these 2.2. So as we know, this is a O and P direction, and which is a 200 gram weight. Similarly, it was also 200 gram weight. So first our scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 50 gram weight. So for this 200 gram weight, let me mark at 4 centimeter. So here we will mark at the 4 centimeter. And similarly here again at 4 centimeter. This is a OA and this is OB. Now let you find the third point using the property of parallelogram. So as we know, mention here 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Now find the fourth point using the rounder and construction. So take the length of this arc is 4 centimeter and mark from the point B. Similarly, here it is again 4 centimeter and mark from the point A. The intersecting point is a fourth point of the fourth vertex of this parallelogram. Now join it and draw a parallelogram. Now measure the length of this diagonal. The length of the diagonal is equal to, it is 5.3 centimeter. So let me measure, note down in observation table, it is 5.3 centimeter. Now for the second reading, let you arrange the weight here. First, as per it is 250 gram weight. Let it be steady and take the image of this thread. Okay, by pencil and mirror. Now down here it is 250 gram weight, and here it is 200 gram weight. Now change the weight from here and arrange here. Now this hanger contains the 200 gram weight. This hanger will contains 250 gram weight. Take the another image of the parallelogram. Now note down here, it is 250 gram weight and 200 gram weight. Take the image of the thread. Okay, now using the rounder, let me draw the parallelogram and find the fourth vertex of the parallelogram, and let me measure the length of the diagonal. Okay. Now for the second reading, when it was the 250 gram weight and 200 gram weight, so you will take the 5 centimeter for the 250 gram weight. For 200 gram weight, you will take the 4 centimeter. Now using the rounder, as here it is like a 4 centimeter, the opposite sides are equal and parallel. So this and this should be the 4 centimeter. Similar, suppose this is a 5 centimeter. So draw an arc from here and find the fourth vertex of this parallelogram. This is the fourth vertex. Measure the length of this diagonal. It is at 5.6 centimeter. Now the third case, when the right side was 250 gram weight and left is 200 gram weight. So 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. Find the length of the diagonal. Same way find the fourth vertex and measure the length of diagonal. It is 5.7. So let me measure. Note down this length of diagonal is 5.3, 5.6 and 5.7 in observation table. Now for the 200 gram weight, the length of this OA and OB was 4 and 4. The length of the diagonal was 5.3 centimeter. Similarly, for the 250 gram weight, we will take the 5 centimeter. For 200 gram weight, we will take the this, and length of the diagonal was 5.6 centimeter. Now, for the 200 gram weight and 250 gram weight, the length will be 4 and 5 respectively, and length of the diagonal was 5.7. Now, this is the resultant force multiplied by the scale factor. The scale factor is equal to 50 gram weight. So this 50 into 5.3, you will get here 265 centimeter. And the next is 5.6 into 50, it is 280. And for the 5.7 into 50, you will get 285. Now, let me find the average. The average is equal to 275, or that is 76.6 gram weight. You can say approximately it is 277 gram weight. Now, let me measure or check verify our answer using the spring balance. The spring balance is here. So let me hang it and let me measure the weight of this object using spring balance. Okay, so first here, so when you hang it, what will happen? It is equal to 280. The weight of this object using spring balance is 280 gram weight. So our reading is quite clear. It is there, so you can say the weight of the object is 280 gram weight, where the weight of this object obtained by the law of factor parallelogram is 277 gram weight. So in this way we can find the weight of the any object using vector law of parallelogram. So please just note down this reading in your notebook, record book, and complete your journal too. Okay, now, okay, thank you, bye beta, have a nice day.